Generating leads on LinkedIn does not have to be hard. We take our clients through a simple process to make sure that they're getting the most from their LinkedIn presence, and I'll take you through the same thing so you can do that too. Step 1, determine what you want to be known for. So you want to start by determining what you want to be known for on LinkedIn. This will help to create content that resonates with your ideal customers. Step 2, focus 80% of your content on your chosen topic. This will help to establish you as an expert in your field. Step 3, engage with your ideal clients by commenting, liking, and sharing their posts. This will help build relationships and position you as a thought leader. And step 4, provide a next step for your ideal client. So this could be anything, a newsletter, a resource, or even a podcast. This will help you to move them closer to becoming a client. Step 5, and this is a bonus, DM them with free insight and resources. It could be a podcast that they might need to listen to. It could be an article that's related to their industry that they need help with.